what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the 12 days of tutorials. We are on now day 9. We only have, after this, 3 more left. I cannot believe that Christmas is next weekend. Like, it's gone by too fast. If you don't know what I'm talking about, back on December 1st, I started uploading 12 days of tutorials every other day. I'm uploading a new eyeshadow tutorial, all based around the holidays, so holiday looks. And I do have a list of all my eyeshadow palettes down in the description box below. There's a link. Click the link. It'll take you to a list of all my palettes. So for the next 3 tutorials, if there's a particular palette you want me to use, did that again, I said lose. If there's a particular palette you want me to use, make sure you let me know because we only have 3 left. 3 tutorials, that is. So make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already to get notified when I upload any videos. So for today's tutorial, we're actually gonna go into the Colourpop Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer palette. This was Colourpop's last year's holiday palette. I absolutely love this palette. The colors and the shades in this palette are so adorable. Like, I'm trying, I want to try and base the look I'm going to do today around this red shade right here. So I don't really know what I'm going to do, but I definitely want to use that red shade. But look how gorgeous. I mean, it's so cute. Little Clarice and Rudolph. Oh, love this palette. It's so cute. All right, so let me prime my eyes. I'll zoom you in and we'll get started. So we're first going to start with Independent Together with a Sigma E38. And we are going to start and put that in the crease. I'm also going to use the same brush and go into Mush Mush, and I'm putting that in the crease as well. I'm now going to go into Little Buck with a Sigma E27, and that's going to go in the crease as well, just lower. Going back to my first brush and just blending over top of that last shade I just put down. Now I'm going to go into Full Power with a Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH37 brush, and that's going on the outer and inner lid. And then going into Christmassy Time with the e.l.f. Eye Crease brush. I'm putting that on the outer and inner lid as well, but I'm keeping it more towards like the outer part of the lid, if that makes any sense. I'm going to take my finger and go into Handsome Nose, and that's going to go right in the middle of my lid. my Jaclyn Hill brush, and I'm just kind of going over the sides of that shimmer just to kind of blend it a little bit. I'm gonna go into North Pole with a Sigma E20, and I'm gonna put that like right on the base where my lash line is, where that shimmer is. So like right in the middle of my lid. So I'm actually gonna spray my brush and then apply it to make it pop more like with your finger. So that's it for the top. So let me do my face makeup so we can finish the eye. Alright, I am back, so let's finish up the eyes. So I'm going to go into full power with a Shania B smudge brush. And that's going to go on the inner and outer corners of my lower lash line. And then I'm going to take Independent Together with a Morphe M139 brush. And I'm going to use that to just blend out the shades I put on the lower lash line. I'm going to use that same smudge brush and go into Handsome Nose, and that's going to go in the middle of my lid, or the middle of my lower lash line, I should say. I'm going to take the shade North Pole with the same brush, and I'm putting that on the middle of my lower lash line as well. I'm also going to take that shade and use it as an inner corner highlight. And I'm also going to put it right underneath my brow, but like right in the middle. And that's it. So let me go do liner and lashes and I'll show you the finished look. All right, I am back and here's the finished look. So I actually really like how the look came out, and I ended up putting something else on top of my lip to make it darker. I used the We Makeup Ever liquid lipstick in the shade Katla Wine. I just went over top of the lipstick I already had on just to make it a little bit darker. I think it went with the look a little bit better. So that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like I always say, if you haven't already, and I will link everything down in the description box below. I'll link the palette. If this palette is available still, I'm not 100% sure if you could still get this palette, but I will link the palette below if you can, as well as all the other products I used. Yeah, so that's it. So make sure you guys follow me, and I will see you guys on day 10.